Good morning, good day, everybody. My students, I greet you all this morning, and my name is Mr. DASSAH PN. I will be teaching you music this morning. This lesson is meant for students in JSS1, and our topic for today is musical skills. What is a scale? A scale is the arrangement of musical notes in an alphabetical order from the tonic to its octave in either ascending or descending order. I repeat, a scale is the arrangement of musical notes in an alphabetical order from the tonic to its octave in either ascending or descending order. In another view, we can describe a scale to be a ladder of notes. You can see a ladder here. We go up the ladder and we go down the ladder. That's how the ladder works. We use the ladder to climb up and to climb down. These are some basic concepts I want to share with you about scales, because scales is a very wide and interesting topic. You can go up the ladder and down the ladder. Okay, let's look at this. A scale can also be described as a staircase of notes. Yes. We use the staircase to climb up, and then we can also climb down, as the case may be. So here we have C, C sharp, D, D sharp, E, and that goes up on until you get to C. Now there are two types of scales that we know. There are many types of scales, but for the sake of your class, we'll be learning about only two types of scales. So the first one is the chromatic scale, and the second one is the diatonic scale. The chromatic scale has 13 notes, and while the diatonic scale has 8 notes. You should take note of all these little informations. Okay, the chromatic scale has all the musical notes that we know, while the diatonic scale has only selected 8 notes at a time. Chromatic scale is a scale that is built using semitones. There are always 13 notes in the chromatic scale. An example is given below with the staircase that we've seen before. So let's count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Always take note that the 13th note is a repetition of the first note. Okay, so we have C here and we have a C here. They are all the same. And the name of the keys, let's go: C, C sharp, D, D sharp, E, F, F sharp, G, G sharp, A sharp, B, and C. That's an example of a chromatic scale. This is a chromatic scale in C. We can have other chromatic scales in other keys too, like maybe let's say from C sharp, it's going to be C sharp, D, D sharp, E, F, F sharp, G, G sharp, A sharp, B, C, C sharp. But for now, we are just using key C, so we'll start from C and end on C. That's a typical example of chromatic scale. A semitone is a gap of one step. You see, a gap of one step. Example, from C now, one step would be C sharp. Very well then. This is a diatonic scale. Is constructed by the use of both tones and semitones. One of the diatonic scales is the diatonic major scale. Another one is the diatonic minor scale. So we have two types of diatonic scales majorly: one, diatonic major scale, and two, diatonic minor scale. The formulas are given to us below. Formulas are not very big things that we should be scared of. Like the major diatonic scale has T, T, S, T, 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 S. Can you say it with me? Let's go. T, T, S, T, 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 S. T there is for tone, while S is for semitone. So let's go. Tone, tone, semitone, tone, 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 semitone. You will need to remember this all the days of your musical life. So we'll say tone, tone, semitone, tone, 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 semitone. Beautiful. While the minor scale has tone, semitone, tone, tone, semitone, tone, tone. Again, tone, semitone, tone, tone, semitone, tone, tone. For now, we will work on how we can construct a major diatonic scale. So, diatonic major scale, the construction of the diatonic major scale will be, we have to use the formula tone, tone, semitone, tone, 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 semitone. So below here, everything has been worked out, but we will run through it together. Like in key C now, if I ask you to run through the scale of C major, to increase C by a tone, that's to raise the pitch of key C by a tone. You have to go C, you jump over C sharp to give me D. Are you getting me? Then we have D, you jump over D sharp to give me E. So a tone from C is D, a tone from D is E. Then a semitone from E, there is no gap. That's just one step. The immediate next note from E is F. So that's why from E is F. E doesn't have a sharp. Then we go to F. F has a sharp. A tone from F, you have to jump F sharp to land on G, which is a tone. G has a sharp too, so from G you have to jump G sharp to go to A. A also has a sharp, so you have to jump A sharp to go to B. But B doesn't have a sharp, so from a semitone from B, one step from B, will just go directly to C. In other words, we are going through the scale of C major. A tone from C is D, a tone from D is E, a semitone from E is F, a tone from F is G, a tone from G is A, and a tone from A is B, while a semitone from B is C. That's how we construct the scale of C major. Alright. And on the staff, this is how the scale of C major looks like. You see, this is middle C, then D, E. So let's start again. Middle C, D, E, F, G, A, B, and C. You can see it here. We can even sing it as solfa. It has a solfa equivalent of it, like do, re, mi, fa, sol, la, ti, do. See? Okay. Alright, so I think that will be that for today. Since we're taking it bit by bit, this is enough information for you. Let's run through the assignment. You're going to define a scale and mention two types of scales that you have learned. What is a tone? What is a semitone? What is the formula for constructing the diatonic major scale? You do your assignment, snap it, write the name of your school, your class, and send it to the email showing on your screen right now. Thanks for listening. In our next class, we'll be attempting to learn about the recorder. How many of you are excited about that? Alright, thank you so much.